What do you got going on over here, Josh?
Some good shit.
So anyways, Josh had this idea that he's gonna take this here high tone horn, OEM replacement car, OEM replacement for cars, trucks, vans, etc. 12 volts, easy to install. And you're using a what volt battery? Should work. But anyways, his idea here is to take that there broken Porter cable impact and put this on there. So that way when you pull the trigger, you have a horn, right?
Genius.
Genius idea. So we'll get a nice video and see what's going on here, what happens. So I'm gonna sit next to him so we can see what we got going. Taking the screws out of the cover now to pull it in half.
Horn. I'm gonna make this clean too. I'm gonna make it look cool. We'll paint it.
Paint it and
Depends on if it actually works like I'm hoping. See where I fixed it one time. Put a tape on there to keep like dirt and stuff off of it.
mm-hmm. So that right there was the issue before?
Yeah, that ground wire.
So you had to fix it again.
Hmm?
So what's wrong with now, you think?
The motor and everything works. Like everything works. It's just that ground wire.
So you had to fix the ground wire again?
I had to try to fix it again. It never damn wanted to act right. Jump.
So you don't need that.
Nope. Don't need that.
So the head just gets thrown away, totally.
Completely, yeah.
To where all you got your control module there, a battery, and your frame, and your 2 wires. And then the car horn's supposed to just hook right up to that, correct?
Yep, I will demonstrate.
Handy dandy coming into the...
Sponsored by Leatherman.
Leatherman's where it's at. The handy dandy. Always, always comes in handy.
Negative. It's a 1-tone horn.
So you're thinking there's one tone. I mean, one positive, one negative. Doesn't matter which one.
It shouldn't matter.
Or does it have
It's a
labels?
1-tone horn. It shouldn't matter.
Oh, well,
But
know
if
more
not,
than I do about this thing.
If not, hey, we'll just flip it. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. No, exactly. So you're gonna strip your wires. Obviously, common sense. You're gonna put your horn together. One positive, one negative. This is gonna be so simple. It's gonna be scary.
I don't like those.
You don't like the thingies?
The hell, we'll just use them. Fuck it.
So you take them ugly things. Crimp them on there. Do that with both of your ends, and then we'll continue. Chop your ugliness off. You're going to strip that. That's your negative. Truth.
We'll see.
So we're about to just see if this works, huh?
3.
Probably about to bust your eardrums out. Oh my god. It worked! Is that what you wanted to hear?
Yeah, listen. I like it.
Awesome. What a freaking genius. So now we have to do some modifications here to make this thing proper.
Exactly.
I got impact and self-tappers in my truck. If you need them. I like it a lot.
You think it's gonna get us in trouble?
Probably. What color are you gonna paint it?
That's a good question.
Red.
Thought about doing bed liner. I'm wrapping the handle, of course, keeping that, you know, nice and sticky with everything else. I might just brush it on there with like acrylic paint. Spray paint will just fucking wear off. Or I can get some like grip tape from like a skateboard and wrap the fucking handle. I gotta stop cussing. This is going on YouTube.
You have to remember YouTube's sensitive, and I don't put in the effort enough to blur every single word out. I just realized I'm quit caring, so yeah. Remember YouTube friendly.
Can't get paid for cussing.
You can. It's just some people can, some people can't.
You know what I'm talking about? The snails?
Mm-hmm.
Shaped like a snail. Damn, I could put duals
That would be sweet.
around duals.
I think you've opened up a can of worms, though, because now you're going to be into this, and you're going to constantly be modifying this, and you're going to make it louder and better every time.
A 20 volt battery, you got like infinity options.
So you can run any horn you want with that.
Well, yeah, it don't drain much power. It's just loud. It's a horn.
That's right. Still got a light.
That's right.
So now we've got to find a way to get this horn mounted up properly. Is there a little thing you're trying to get it in? Is there a little thing you're trying to get it to go in?
Just get it pushed up in there as far as these little posts to go. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like that.
So that still has a flashlight on it.
Kinda.
Then just self-tap it right in the top. Roll that, pull the light up. You need to bend it more than you're going to go.
Huh?
You know what you're doing, right?
I did. I'm a genius.
You might not be the smartest man on earth, but you're pretty damn close.
Exactly. I know what love is.
So you're saying we need to get the drill bits and then a self-tapper?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
To the truck. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Genius.
Handheld horn.
So what's the point in the handheld horn?
Why not?
So you don't have any point, you just whine out of it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all I need to know. Okay, so we need a drill. It's already got a bit in it. A battery. Good enough. And a drill bit. Wherever our drill bits are. Over here. Just going through plastic. One of those should work. One of these. So now we've got the proper artillery. Does Brandon think you're foolish?
You got the self-tapper?
Yep.
Yeah.
He ain't having it.
Imagine this thing with dual horns. I'll do it.
Put a low tone on there too so it sounds more real. Like a normal car. I don't think so either.
Handy dandy.
What you left over there? Oh gosh, that'll get you. Just annoy Brandon with it.
Check it.
What you do is wire a horn up to that.
What are you doing?
Show us what you got here. So anyways, this is not a final product, but that's it for this video. We turned a Porter Cable 20 volt 1/4 inch impact into a car horn. A portable horn. Handheld. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Larry.
He does not give a single
Not approved.
shit.
Why does that sound like Jacob shit? You see now where you put a car horn on one of those? Jacob, your turn next. That's not a horn, is it? Maybe it is.
Sounds like a horn to me, don't it?
Yeah.
Let's
Oh,
not
it's
do
loud.
that.
It's horribly loud in here.
Come here, come here. No,
you
take it
done
like a
you
man.
done it at me.
Come here.